Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. So in this video I'll tell you how to fix iPhone wallpaper turns black problem. iOS 17 was a refreshing update that brought some life and flair to iOS with excellent lock screen customization with the ability to add widgets. It also including helpful features like haptics on the native keyboards and the battery percent indicator, which were long awaited features. However, not everything was smooth sailing since users have been facing a lot of bugs, and iOS 17 has destroyed the reputation of iOS being stable and optimized software. But first, subscribe to my channel for more upcoming videos and hit the like button. So let's start the video without wasting any time. The first step is reapply your previous wallpaper. Navigate to the wallpaper customization by either long pressing the lock screen or finding the wallpaper section in the settings app. For this, go to settings, scroll down and then go to wallpaper. Tap on add new wallpaper and select the wallpaper you used to use. Set the wallpaper pair as you like. Pick one wallpaper for your home screen and the other one for your lock screen, or pick two different wallpapers according to your preference. Confirm and exit the menu and you are done. And the next step is recover the original wallpaper image and resolve the faulty migration of background settings between the iOS versions. For this, go to settings, scroll down and then tap on general, scroll down to the bottom and then tap on transfer reset iPhone and then tap on reset and then tap on reset home screen layout and then tap on again reset home screen and you are done. And the next step is update iOS. For this, go to settings, scroll down and then tap on general and then tap on software update. Wait until the page is loading. See if there is any update available, then download and install the latest version of iOS and you are done. And the next step is factory reset your iPhone. This method will completely erase all of your data on your phone, and a backup of all your important data is strongly advised before you proceed. For this, go to settings, scroll down and then tap on general, scroll down to the bottom and then tap on transfer reset iPhone and then tap on erase all content and settings and then tap on continue to confirm. Then it might ask you to enter your passcode, so enter your passcode and follow the on-screen instruction to factory reset and you are done. And the next step is completely recreate your wallpaper customization. For this, go to settings, scroll down and then tap on wallpaper. Once you have selected the wallpaper, add the lock screen widgets of your choice and then pair a home screen wallpaper to it and you are done. The problem should be resolved since the earlier buggy wallpaper pairs have been deleted and you are done. I hope this solution will fix your issue of wallpaper turns black problem in iOS 17, and also let us know in the comments below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.